Perfect. So thank you for your time, Anshul. We're here at Pravas 5.0. Very interesting new products here. Take us through your new launches here at the show.
So this Pravas, we are focusing on a school bus, which we feel going to be a revolutionary game changer product in the electric bus market. Electric bus market in the country is largely driven by STU buses, which are high usage buses running up to 200 kilometers, running every single day, running up to 12 years. So the TCO working out perfectly, right? But when we went thinking, okay, what is that we want to innovate and what is that we want to change, the answer that came to us was school buses. For three reasons. One, big market potential, right? Bigger than the STU potential. You have about 30,000 school buses being sold in the country every year. So even if we were to get a 10% market share as an electric bus community, we are still talking about 3,000 every year. Secondly, fixed routes, right? Essential EV capability that you go around the same route every day. There is predictability, charging can be found as a solution, and so on. And third, being as parents, an emotional attachment for the product that you want a safer, cleaner product for your kids to go to school. However, the challenge remained the TCO, right? These are not going to run too much. They'll run 100 kilometers. They're not going to run every day. There are enough school chuttis, so they'll probably run like 240, 250 days. And nobody sends their kids on a 12-year, 15-year-old school bus, right? So that's where the innovation came in. At PMI, we worked tirelessly for the last year and a half on figuring out engineering solutions to bring the price down, and where we are very proud of the fact that today we are selling a school bus around 55 lakhs, which means that the TCO over a diesel bus is still going to be about 20-25 lakhs cheaper over the life of the school bus. So this is where we have strong conviction, both from a commercial reason, business reason, and emotional reasons, that this is the journey we want to drive forward.
Brilliant. Very impressive. Very interesting thing as well. I think when we talk about every stakeholder doing their bit, you're trying to do your bit from the OEM side, which is commendable as well. The other new product behind you, few words on that as well, staff application.
That's a staff application similar to the school bus application, but that has a longer range because staff routes are longer. Again, but similar innovations to bring the cost down. One essential difference between when we are looking at these applications versus, say, the STU applications, STUs carry way more load, right? The number of passengers going in an STU bus is very high and sometimes very unpredictable as well, as opposed to staff buses and school buses where the load will be very consistent. Staff buses don't require standing space, it's a seating solution, as opposed to STU, which are largely standing spaces driven. So same engineering features to bring the price down we've translated in our staff bus as well, though we are giving a bigger range just because staff buses will go longer, but it's again a price friendly product.
Right. And of course, that's your STU, but that's probably a BRT bus as well. Overall, one concluding thought on mood in the industry. So we spoke a lot about private bus sector becoming more electrified. How is the overall mood in the industry as far as electrification is concerned?
I think if I were to think one word, it'll be confident. Way more confident over what last year was, year before was, and so on. People are embracing us with slightly more open arms now as an industry as a whole. Initially everybody thought of electric buses only as an STU solution. Now people have started thinking of it as a private market solution as well. Even from a policy perspective, we've seen the shift from just being government focused to more private focused as well. And I'm really excited about the new policy MHI is going to launch for private vehicles. I think that's the next step we need to take this journey forward.
One last thing, more and more new players coming in. How confident are you that PMI will actually make a major impact in the road ahead?
So I am a big industry believer, and I get very happy when any significant improvement takes in an industry as a whole. I feel the demand is very high, the pie is extremely big, so more player coming in, more confidence will come in, more supply chain will develop, ecosystems will get better. So I'm a positive person in general. So I think it's a good thing that everybody thinks it's exciting and they're going to come in. And for PMI continuing its leadership, this venture was started by my father, who has a very strong conviction about serving the community, and this is the ethos and the principles that drive us, and that's what motivates us, and that's what we'll keep trending with.
Brilliant, brilliant. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. Very well said. Thank you very much.
Thank you.